Just a small Korean restaurant is just 50 meters away from the Stay Hotel. You should check this out. They have this delicious jjajangmyeon and the hangover soup. Maliit lang daw to, but look at this. It's a big bowl, tapos may banchan din na kasama. May radish, kimchi, bean sprout, tapos may rice pa na kasama. And that's the hangover soup. Kamera. Ay, ang laki. Grabe yung amoy. Look at this. Kimchi. Naririnig nyo ba? Bean sprout.
Mamando ng starter. Thank you.
Alam nyo, kahit banchan, ang sarap. Kimchi, bean sprout, pati yung radish nila. Solid ng sauce. So, meron din tayong bowl ng over soup. Not everything naman sa South Korea is maanghang. Like yung jjajangmyeon at saka itong hangover soup. If you want to add, you can. Meron silang certificate, 25 Korea Challenge Cup International Culinary Competition. Look at this! Guys, yun yung name ng restaurant.